Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can make headings in Google Docs. So I'm just going to type out a text, for instance, like chapter 1, and then there's going to be like sections, section 2, section 3. This is just an example. So for chapter 1, I'm just going to select the text, go to this one, and add heading 2. There's heading 2, and even heading 3. So I'm just going to select apply heading 1. And for these sections, I'm just going to insert heading 2, which will be under the heading 1. I think you can change the size of it too, as you can see. And then I'm just going to add another one, for instance content 1, content 2, content 3, and content 4. Select that and select headings 3. And yeah, you can adjust the size of these things too, but that's pretty much how you can add headings in Google Docs. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!